Are you looking for ways to support a family member with a disability financially while protecting their access to benefits? An ABLE account could be the perfect solution. Today, let's explore how ABLE accounts work and how they can help your loved ones. Hello, I'm Nelson Happy from Happy Estate Planning. If you want to learn about tools to support disabled family members, make sure to subscribe for more planning insights. An ABLE account, or Achieving a Better Life Experience account, is a tax-advantaged savings account designed specifically for individuals with disabilities. Here's what you need to know about using one. What is an ABLE account? ABLE accounts allow individuals with disabilities to save money without jeopardizing their eligibility for government benefits like Medicaid or supplemental security income. Who's eligible? To qualify, the account holder must have a disability that began before the age of 26. They also need to meet Social Security's definition of disability or have a doctor's certification. What funds can be used? ABLE accounts can cover a wide range of expenses, including housing, education, health care, transportation, and other costs that improve the quality of life. Annual contribution limits. Contributors to an ABLE account are limited to $17,000 per year. However, if the account holder is employed, they may be able to contribute additional earnings up to a certain limit. Protecting government benefits. As long as the account balance stays below $100,000, SSI benefits remain unaffected. For Medicare, there's no maximum account balance limit, making ABLE accounts an excellent way to save without risking coverage. Who manages the account? The account can be managed by the individual with the disability or a designated person, such as a parent, guardian, or power of attorney. An ABLE account can be game-changing for families supporting a disabled loved one, offering both flexibility and security. If you'd like to learn more about setting up an ABLE account or integrating it into an estate plan, contact us at Happy Estate Planning. For more tips for loved ones with disabilities, like, subscribe, and leave your question in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.